Okay, so this is going to be my May payout video. So requested my Topstep payout on Friday last week, which was the 16th of May. And I did that on 4 accounts for the max, which was the $5,000 per account. They take 10%. So what I got was obviously 4.5 on each of the accounts. And it was my second fastest payout to date with Topstep. So the first ever one was pretty much same day payout. And my second fastest payout, which is the one I just had, which came actually received last night, so Monday at 3:20, which was pretty crazy. And just to show you on Wise, let me just log back in. So as you can see, this was the payout, the 4.5k on each of the accounts. And you've probably already seen these payouts from the other video I did for the 55,700 payout, which was pretty much from January to last month. And now this is pretty much May. So we're on track for a really, really good year. If I go to my accounts, you can see I traded a small trade this morning just to get my $300. I have locked these accounts as well just to keep myself out of trouble, just whilst I've got like 2 days left to be able to get another payout. And each of the accounts have got back to the 10k as well. So I can obviously get hopefully another payout, if not this week, maybe next week, which would obviously put it towards, put it to basically 2 lots of payouts at 20,000, which will be 18,000 net, times by 2, which will be $36,000. So these were the payouts, and yeah, really super quick payout. And if I just go to the Discord just to kind of show you, you can see I requested it on, yeah, on the 16th, which was Friday. At my time is 10 to 10, and it was pretty much paid yesterday at 8:22. So really, really good. I mean, that's pretty much one business day in terms of Friday on the close and then paid on the close of yesterday. So really, really good. And obviously this is the Discord where we put all of our trades. If I just show you the trade screenshots, this is where I go live each day on Zoom and show all of my trades. I've been doing this for over 4 years now, and I post the screenshot of how the day goes every single day. So you can see all these trades all the way back for many, many years now. So I've been doing this for a long time, and yeah, post everything on here. And we also have a successes channel, which I think I just showed, which is just showing people on their payouts. And yeah, really nice to start seeing now there's a lot of people really, really crushing it. A lot of members that are really doing really good, and it's just really good to see. So that's those, and just the main chat where we obviously put all of our chats throughout the day. But anyway, that is the Discord. And I say really quick payout. I was expecting it to maybe be midweek, but this is why I'm getting the video out as soon as possible. If there's any questions regarding the payout, let me know. All I will say is I'm trying to get it to a point where I can do 2 of these payouts, because 2 payouts within a month. I'm going to try and get the 5 accounts. So this is obviously 4 accounts, which is you can only take out 50% of the balance. So if you've got 10k in the account and you can take out 50%, that's that $5,000. The maximum you can take out is 5k per account, and the maximum you then have to have in your account is $10,000, right, to take 50% out, and you have to have at least 5 days of $200 or more profit in the accounts to be able to do that. They don't have to be consecutive. I just like to keep them consecutive if I can, just so then Monday to Friday, technically you could do a full payout in that week. And I think it's really good to pay yourself at the end of the week. If it's either a personal account or live account or a funded account, it doesn't matter. I think it's really good to, if you can, pay yourself at the end of the week to make it feel real, right? So this is exactly why I'm doing these videos, to make it look real, so you can actually see the payout and you get rewarded for the payout, and it makes you want to carry on doing it. So with that being said, I think it's fairly achievable. You've got 20 trading days in the week, 5 days, and then you've got enough buffer. Technically, you could do 4 or 5 payouts in a month, depending on how many weeks are in a month. But I think it's achievable to try and at least 1, if not 2, which if you can do 2, that means there's 52 weeks in a year. Take out, let's say, make it 48, some, trading weeks out of there. You've got about 14 opportunities where you could get 2 lots of payouts in 1 month. So basically, let's try and go for 2 a month. So times that by 2, you're getting 24 payouts a year if you could do that. And if you times it by the maximum that you could have is 5 accounts at 25k, it would be $25,000, which is 600k. Times it by 0.9 to take off the 10%. That's $540,000. Let's say you've got 30% of commissions or expenses of your own. Times that by 0.7, it's still a 378k year, which is pretty phenomenal. And even if you only did that 1 payout a month, that is still $189,000. And just to do the math on that, if you just wanted to do it once a month, you've got 20 trading days in the month, and you need basically in total you would need $10,000 in one of the accounts to be able to take out 5. So if you do $10,000, which is what you need in the account to be able to take out 5K, which is the 50%, times that by 20 trading days, you need to make $500 a day for the 20 days. You don't have to do that every single day. Some days it might be 2,000. Some days it might be negative 100. Some days it might be negative 1,000, up 3,000, whatever. In short, $500 a day over 20 days. It's not going to be as easy as that, obviously, but in theory, that's all you need to be able to get that $10,000. And then that is just one payout a month. Obviously, if you have a couple of days where 1 week you do 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, you're already up 6K, right? Then you just need a couple of days where you get $200 and you've already got that first payout. And if you do that on 5 copy accounts, obviously that's where it starts getting crazy. But yeah, that's what's kind of just going through my mind. And that's what I've basically been trying to replicate for the past couple of months. In fact, this whole year, basically just try and get as many payouts as possible to make it real. So that's going to be the end of the video, guys. Like I say, if you are interested, this is not a sales pitch, but I teach everything live in the Discord. But all my energy goes into this room. It's where I've been communicating for the past 4 years now. If you have any questions, literally just join for free on the 7-day trial and you can ask as many questions as you like, literally on Zoom, and I will break down trades in real time and give you my analysis. I also go live every morning on YouTube as well, which you can see for free and understand my strategy. And if you do want to, delve deeper, I do have a masterclass course and I do have the top tier membership, obviously. So if you are wanting to join, though, they are options available. But other than that, guys, I will see you all in the next video.